Welcome to the info with me TECNO CAMON 18, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll find here the ring icon. Just click twice to the ring icon. Now it's switched to the mode, so this means that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, we should click once again on the mode icon and it's switched to the ring. Also, I got one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and then you'll see here this bell icon. Click twice on this bell icon, we'll see the calls and vibrations will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated successfully. Just to turn it off, click on the bell icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.